program are you using for the thumbnails?
Okay, I use Canva because I'm able to maneuver through it, and I kind of it's a lot. It's beginner friendly for me.
Okay.
I haven't really found another app that I can kind of move through and kind of know what I'm doing without being
Oh no,
lost.
Canva's perfect. That's what I use too.
Yeah, and there are free versions, everybody, for Canva. But I get the pro or the teams because I'm able to not have to look and see what I can use and what I can't use. If you're trying to use something that's a pro, it'll have the little icon in the corner to say pro. So those
Mhm.
are not able to be downloaded without a watermark. So if anybody didn't know that, so but if you have the pro plan, you can use anything pretty much you want to use, and I like that part. So on the thumbnails, you kind of have to have a focus of what you're trying to create, what kind of message you're trying to present, uh, and also what I've learned too. Like it needs to be like if you glance and edit at your thumbnails once you do it, you should be able to know what's going on like within the first 3 to 5 seconds. Well, I say 7. It should
Right, when
be
you're
eye
first
catching. Yeah,
glance.
yeah. You don't want to have somebody have to focus in and take them a minute to try to see what's going on or what you're trying to tell them. So that's another good thing that I've learned. I believe like for the titles, probably between the same amount of words, between 3 to 7, so it won't look so cluttered.